When most people think about protein, their minds immediately jump to the classics: chicken breast sizzling on a pan, or a couple of hard-boiled eggs sitting in a lunchbox. Maybe you picture a bodybuilder gulping down a chalky protein shake after a workout, or a plate stacked high with grilled fish or steak. But what if I told you that protein isn't just hiding in these obvious places? In fact, if you're only relying on chicken and eggs to meet your daily protein needs, you're missing out on a whole universe of delicious, nutritious options that can power up your meals and snacks in ways you never imagined. There's a whole world of hidden protein waiting for you, tucked away in foods you might already have in your kitchen, or that you walk past every time you're at the grocery store. These foods aren't just for vegetarians or health nuts, they're for anyone who wants to feel fuller, build muscle, recover faster, or simply eat a more balanced diet. And the best part? Many of these protein-packed foods are affordable, easy to prepare, and absolutely delicious. So, let's crack the code together. Whether you're a busy student, a parent trying to feed your family, an athlete looking to optimize performance, or just someone who wants to feel their best, unlocking the hidden protein in your everyday foods can be a total game changer. Imagine opening your fridge or pantry and seeing not just ingredients, but opportunities. Opportunities to fuel your body, satisfy your hunger, and enjoy every bite. First up, peas. Yeah, those tiny green guys your mom told you to eat when you were a kid, the ones you might have tried to hide under your mashed potatoes. But here's the thing, peas are more than just a colorful side dish. Just 1 cup of cooked green peas packs in almost 8 grams of protein. That's right, 8 grams. To put that in perspective, that's more protein than a whole egg. And peas aren't just about protein. They're also loaded with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support your immune system, digestion, and energy levels. You can toss them into salads, blend them into soups, or even mash them up for a tasty spread. Next time you're looking for a quick protein boost, don't overlook the humble pea. Next, let's talk about a breakfast staple that deserves way more credit: oatmeal. You might think of oats as just a source of carbs, but they're actually a sneaky source of protein too. 2 scoops of rolled oats, about half a cup dry, will give you around 10 grams of protein, even before you add any milk, yogurt, or nuts. That's a solid start to your day. And the best part is, oatmeal is incredibly versatile. You can make it sweet with fruit and honey, or savory with eggs and veggies. You can bake it into bars, blend it into smoothies, or even use it as a base for homemade granola. Plus, oats are packed with fiber, which helps keep you full and supports heart health. So, the next time you're looking for a breakfast that will keep you energized and satisfied, remember that oatmeal is more than just a warm bowl of comfort. It's a protein powerhouse. Speaking of snacks, let's shine a spotlight on one of the most underrated protein sources out there: pumpkin seeds. Also known as pepitas, these little green seeds are absolutely loaded with nutrition. Just 1 handful, about a quarter cup, delivers a whopping 7 grams of protein. That's more than most granola bars, and without all the added sugar. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats, making them a perfect snack for boosting your energy and supporting muscle recovery. You can sprinkle them on salads, stir them into yogurt, or just eat them by the handful. They're crunchy, satisfying, and super easy to take on the go. If you're looking for a way to add more protein to your day without any fuss, pumpkin seeds are a smart and tasty choice. And get this, broccoli isn't just for vitamins. Most people think of broccoli as a source of vitamin C or fiber, but did you know that 1 big stalk of broccoli has about 4 grams of protein? That's right, this green veggie is pulling double duty. While it might not replace your steak, adding broccoli to your meals can help you reach your protein goals, especially if you're eating a plant-based diet. Broccoli is also packed with antioxidants and compounds that support your body's natural detox processes. You can steam it, roast it, stir-fry it, or even blend it into soups and sauces. The next time you're prepping dinner, remember that every bite of broccoli is giving you a little extra protein boost, along with a ton of other health benefits. Last but definitely not least, Greek yogurt. If you're looking for a dairy option that's high in protein, Greek yogurt is your secret weapon. It's like the secret agent of the dairy world, sneaking you 15 grams of protein per cup. That's more than double the protein of regular yogurt. Greek yogurt is thick, creamy, and incredibly versatile. You can eat it plain, mix it with fruit and honey, use it as a base for smoothies, or even swap it in for sour cream in your favorite recipes. It's also a great source of calcium and probiotics, which support bone health and digestion. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast, a satisfying snack, or a healthy dessert, Greek yogurt has you covered. So if you want to level up your protein game, don't just stick to boring shakes and chicken breasts. There's a whole world of delicious, nutritious foods out there that can help you meet your protein needs, no matter your taste or lifestyle. Whether you're a meat eater, vegetarian, or somewhere in between, these hidden protein sources can add variety, flavor, and nutrition to your meals. Imagine sitting down to a meal that's not only satisfying and tasty, but also packed with the protein your body needs to thrive. You don't have to eat the same thing every day. Mix it up, try new foods, and discover what works best for you. These undercover foods are ready to help you crush your goals, whether you're aiming to build muscle, lose weight, recover from a tough workout, or just feel more energized throughout the day. Protein isn't just for athletes or bodybuilders, it's essential for everyone. It helps repair tissues, build enzymes and hormones, and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. By including a variety of protein sources in your diet, you're giving your body the building blocks it needs to stay strong, healthy, and resilient. And the best part? You can enjoy all these benefits without sacrificing taste or spending hours in the kitchen. With a little creativity and planning, you can make every meal a protein-packed powerhouse. And let's not forget about lentils. These tiny legumes are a staple in many cuisines around the world, and for good reason. 1 cup of cooked lentils contains about 18 grams of protein, more than a serving of steak. Lentils are also high in fiber, iron, and other essential nutrients. They're easy to cook, budget-friendly, and incredibly versatile. You can use them in soups, stews, salads, or even as a base for veggie burgers. If you're looking for a plant-based protein source that's both filling and delicious, lentils are a must-try. Tofu is another fantastic source of hidden protein, especially for those following a vegetarian or vegan diet. Half a cup of firm tofu provides around 10 grams of protein, along with calcium and iron. Tofu is like a blank canvas. It soaks up the flavors of whatever you cook it with, making it perfect for stir-fries, curries, salads, or even smoothies. Don't be afraid to experiment with different marinades and cooking methods to find your favorite way to enjoy tofu. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are another protein-rich food that deserves a spot in your kitchen. 1 cup of cooked chickpeas contains about 15 grams of protein. They're the main ingredient in hummus, but you can also roast them for a crunchy snack, toss them into salads, or blend them into soups. Chickpeas are high in fiber and low in fat, making them a heart-healthy choice for any meal. Quinoa is a unique grain because it's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. 1 cup of cooked quinoa has about 8 grams of protein, plus plenty of fiber, magnesium, and antioxidants. Quinoa cooks quickly and can be used in place of rice or pasta, or as a base for salads and bowls. It's a great way to add more protein to your meals without a lot of extra effort. Edamame, or young soybeans, are another protein-packed snack that's easy to prepare and fun to eat. 1 cup of shelled edamame contains about 17 grams of protein. You can steam them, sprinkle them with a little sea salt, and enjoy them as a snack, or add them to salads, stir-fries, and grain bowls. Edamame is also a good source of iron, calcium, and vitamin C. Cottage cheese is another dairy option that's high in protein and low in fat. 1 cup of low-fat cottage cheese contains about 28 grams of protein, more than a chicken breast. It's creamy, mild, and can be eaten on its own, mixed with fruit, or spread on toast. Cottage cheese is also rich in calcium and B vitamins, making it a nutritious addition to any meal or snack. Black beans are a staple in many cuisines and are packed with protein and fiber. 1 cup of cooked black beans contains about 15 grams of protein. They're perfect for making burritos, tacos, salads, or even brownies. Black beans are also a good source of iron, magnesium, and antioxidants, supporting heart health and energy levels. Almonds are a convenient and tasty way to add more protein to your diet. 1 ounce of almonds, about 23 nuts, contains 6 grams of protein. Almonds are also high in healthy fats, vitamin E, and magnesium. You can eat them as a snack, sprinkle them on oatmeal or yogurt, or use almond butter as a spread or dip. Tempeh is a fermented soy product that's even higher in protein than tofu. 1 cup of tempeh contains about 30 grams of protein, making it an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans. Tempeh has a firm texture and a nutty flavor, and it works well in stir-fries, sandwiches, and salads. It's also a good source of probiotics, which support gut health. Sunflower seeds are another easy way to boost your protein intake. 1 ounce of sunflower seeds contains about 6 grams of protein, along with healthy fats, vitamin E, and selenium. You can eat them on their own, add them to salads or yogurt, or use sunflower seed butter as a nut-free alternative to peanut butter. Seitan, also known as wheat meat, is a high-protein meat substitute made from wheat gluten. 1 serving of seitan contains about 21 grams of protein, making it one of the highest plant-based protein sources available. Seitan has a chewy texture and can be flavored to taste like chicken, beef, or pork. It's perfect for stir-fries, sandwiches, and wraps. As you can see, there are so many ways to get more protein into your diet without relying on the same old foods. By exploring new ingredients and recipes, you can keep your meals exciting, nutritious, and satisfying. Whether you're cooking for yourself or for a crowd, these hidden protein sources can help you meet your goals and enjoy every bite. So the next time you're planning your meals, think beyond the basics. Try adding peas to your pasta, oats to your smoothies, pumpkin seeds to your salads, or Greek yogurt to your sauces. Experiment with lentils, tofu, chickpeas, quinoa, edamame, cottage cheese, black beans, almonds, tempeh, sunflower seeds, and seitan. The possibilities are endless, and your body will thank you for the variety and nutrition. Which one are you trying first? Are you excited to give lentils a go? Or maybe you're curious about tempeh or seitan? Or perhaps you're ready to rediscover the power of peas and oats? Drop your pick in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to eat better, feel stronger, and enjoy every meal. Don't forget to share your favorite high-protein recipes and tips with the community. We're all in this together.